What's up everybody, Dr. Courtney here, and thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to be talking about how to apply our Smile Path teeth whitening gel. When you see a syringe like this, you're like, how the heck do I use it? Do I just squirt it up on my teeth? Do I squirt on my teeth and just kind of hope for the best? No. Got a couple options here. Now, our kit was designed for those who don't have their own whitening trays at home, who don't have their own Invisalign trays or clear retainers. It is 3 syringes of gel, plus a light where you will actually apply the gel to, put it in your mouth, plug it in your phone, and have it light up. I tell patients 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, that's all you need. And you know, if I'm whitening for an event, I'll whiten every other day for about a week or two up until I get my desired whiteness. Once I reach my desired whiteness, I will whiten maybe once, possibly twice per week for 10 to 12 minutes, that's it, just to maintain the whiteness. So, how do you use this? Well, let's break it down. In your kit, you have a syringe like this, little cap, you twist the cap off, and you apply little dispenser. Many people ask, how many uses can you get out of one syringe? I tell people you get about 6 uses per syringe, and the easiest way to break it down is there's actually a little marker, 1 milliliter, 2 milliliter, 3 milliliter. And you could use about half a milliliter for the upper and lower arch per use. Take the gel and guide it directly on the light here on the upper, flip it over and do it all the way on the other side on the bottom as well. I actually did about half an ml for my upper and lower. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the tray in. When you're ultimately done, I'm gonna brush my teeth. When you're done brushing your teeth, rinse your mouth, then the next thing you want to do, make sure you clean the inside and outside of the light. And that's it, and set it aside to dry. Again, 10 to 12 minutes, that's all you need. But thank you so much for tuning in, and as I like to say, go on and share that smile with the world.